Small businesses are the soul of our economy, the very fabric of our culture, and they've been devastated by the pandemic. Lost wages, broken dreams. The knowledge and skills required to navigate the seismic shifts we've seen in our economy just haven't been available until now. That's why we created Back to Biz, a collection of free online classes, tools, and how-to guides taught by a diverse set of innovative entrepreneurs. Imagine learning how to pivot to new business models, discover new ways to find your ideal customers, or shifting your focus from saving every dime to growing the bottom line. How to shift away from fear to a new future. Back to Biz offers bite-sized, actionable skills on the go taught by experts who have walked in small business owners' shoes. Now is the time to take action. Join us in getting back to business and thriving again.